This video covers the basic progressions for the bird dog. The bird dog is a great exercise for coordinating the muscles of the posterior chain to work both in their strength, endurance and coordination. To perform a basic bird dog, you need to get into your quadruped position. In this position, the hands should be directly underneath the shoulder and the knees should be directly underneath the hip. The back should be in a neutral position. You should not be flexed. To begin with, start just by extending one leg and back in. Whilst you perform this activity, make sure you have your belly button slightly sucked in, abs engaged in your brace position. If you start finding that activity is too easy, bring your opposite hand to your opposite knee and extend. Nice, slow and controlled throughout this motion. The key point whilst you're performing this activity is make sure you're not flexing or extending your back. This is a stabilization exercise. You want to be stabilizing the spine, working the muscles that control that stabilization. What I mean by not flexing or extending is that we don't want to be extending and flexing. Nice neutral position, and in, out, back in. Perform reps for one side and then swap to your opposite side.